Top focus, big trouble for the Modi government and his HRD minister. A Delhi court has admitted a plea on Smriti Irani's fake degree row, saying it's fit case for hearing. The court will now hear the case on the 28th of June. However, political ramifications already rife.
Court has taken cognizance but has not sent the matter for FIR or something. He has asked the complainant to lead his evidence to prove that whatever Smriti Irani ji has said in her affidavit is false, which according to us is not false, because she has categorically in her affidavit for the Rajya Sabha in 2011 said that she has become part 1 from School of Correspondence. And in 2014 also, as well, in her affidavit, she has said become pass 1 from School of Correspondence, Open School of Learning, which was earlier called School of Correspondence. So there's no ambiguity, and we feel that probably even the cognizance should not have been taken because it is beyond limitation.
देखिए, हमने अपनी कंप्लेंट में कोर्ट में अर्ज किया था कि स्मृति ईरानी ने जो है लगातार अपनी शैक्षिक योग्यता को लेकर चुनाव आयोग में भी गलत एफिडेविट दायर किए हैं और इसकी जांच होनी चाहिए, और इसमें अगर वो गलत पाई जाती हैं तो उनके खिलाफ 125 पीपल्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन एक्ट के तहत कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए.
See, it's a very simple case, but the BJP pursues a different kind of legality and a different kind of morality and ethics. And if you remember, when Mr. Tomar was arrested, the case was already heard in the Delhi High Court, and he was not convicted at all. But suddenly, the Delhi police got very enlightened, and he registered a case against Mr. Tomar at 3 in the night, and at 10 in the morning, he was arrested. And now you can understand the fact that Smriti Irani is a too powerful minister. The court has found a case which is maintainable. That means there is something wrong with her degrees. In that case, she is too powerful a minister because she is a cabinet minister at the center and she is an HRD minister. She is a very, very powerful minister in that sense. So, if Mr. Tomar can be arrested because he can tamper with the evidences, Smriti Irani is also too powerful, and if she is outside the jail and outside the police custody, then she can also tamper with the evidences. She can harass witnesses and she can influence the investigation. So why she should not be arrested? FIR should be lodged, she should be arrested, and Mr. Modi should sack her as a minister to tell to the whole world that whatever he says, na khata hu na khane deta hu, he believes in that in toto. Will that happen? That's my question.
You know, Ashutosh, what about the issue? And once again, the Congress raising this, and there is some meat in it when they say that how is it that Smriti Irani, she is the HRD minister, and the issue of contention is a degree issued by the Delhi University. Wouldn't there be a conflict of interest if she continues to chair the position of HRD minister?
See, the fact is that her degree, now there's a big question mark over her degree. There's a big question mark about her educational qualification. There's a question mark that she had lied to the constitutional authorities. She has given 3 different informations about her while contesting 3 different elections, twice in the Lok Sabha and once in the Rajya Sabha. That means she is lying. There is something seriously wrong about it. So the question is, can such a person, even if forget about the legality, can a person like her remain as an HRD minister? Will she qualify for that? That's a bigger question in that sense. And again repeating, Smriti Irani should be, FIR should be lodged, she should be arrested, and she should be sacked as a minister.
All right, let's cut across to Ashar Ahmed Khan, who's reporting the political aspect of this story. Remember, there are 2 aspects to it. One, a legal aspect, and we will know more come the 28th of August, because till now the Delhi court has asked for more evidence and not found the HRD minister guilty. But on the other hand, political developments already rife. Ashar will bring us up to speed with that. You know, Ashar, the Congress here clearly sensing blood and going for the kill, asking for the resignation of the HRD minister, linking it to the case of Jitendra Tomar, the former Delhi law minister. But having said that, there are a few differences as well, because at one end, if Smriti Irani is being charged, well, allegedly, if she has lied, then she's lied under oath and to the Election Commission, which is different, because when you look at Jitendra Singh Tomar, there was outright forgery involved if it's proven that the documents he put forth were forged.
Well, absolutely. There is a difference in both the cases, but level, those differences definitely blur. In fact, in the last 2 weeks, this is the third resignation of a senior minister of the government which the opposition is seeking. There has been the demand of resignation of the External Affairs Minister, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and now the demand of resignation for the HRD Minister. So clearly the Congress party is raising three issues here. First of all, they are saying that since the matter is pertaining to the Delhi University and the HRD Ministry, the Delhi University comes under the HRD Ministry, and the HRD Ministry's boss is being probed, so it would not be morally correct for them, for her to continue. Secondly, they are saying that what is the role of the Delhi police, why it acted in such a fashion as far as the former Delhi Law Minister Jitendra Tomar is concerned, and why it is acting in a certain way when Smriti Irani is concerned. So politically they are trying to take maximum mileage out of this. The next date is 28th of August. Before that, the monsoon session would have concluded, and definitely the Congress party will make this as a big issue in the upcoming monsoon session.
All right, so that's the political fallout of this, but what about the legal fallout? What is expected on the 28th of August? Because still now, the courts have not found Smriti Irani guilty. They're asking for more evidence. And I want to go across to Ahmed Azim, my colleague who was in court, and he's reporting the very latest. Ahmed, it's up to you. Can you talk us through and break down the legal jargon for us and what this actually means legally?
Well, Priti, today's order clearly says that this case is, when the court will hear this case further, and they have put up 28th August as the date for pre-summoning of evidence. Means if Smriti Irani has to be summoned as an accused in this case, the evidences which are provided by the complainant will be examined before the court, by the court, and then the court will reach to a conclusion whether to call Smriti Irani or summon Smriti Irani as an accused in this case or not. But clearly, just by saying that this case is maintainable, that there are legal problems for Smriti Irani ahead.
So till now, Azim, if we look at it, Smriti Irani is not liable. She's not guilty. The court has only asked for more evidence, and then it will take it from there.
Yeah, but court has prima facie found that this case is, there are sufficient evidence to hear this case further or at length. But so far, we cannot say that Smriti Irani is guilty.
You know, Azim, you've been tracking both cases. You have tracked Smriti Irani's case in this alleged fake degree row. You've also tracked Jitendra Singh Tomar's case as it went to court. What are the differences between these two cases, and what are the similarities?
Well, Smriti Irani is saying that she has only said in the court that she has done her first year of BCom from open school. In one affidavit, she is saying this thing, while in other affidavit, she is saying she has done first year BCom from distance learning. Their play is that they have mentioned same thing, but since they have said at one place they are saying it's open school, and in other place they are saying it's correspondence. So this is the confusion according to them. But the complainant is saying that on one place they are saying that she has done a graduation in simple BA, and on the other hand she is saying that she has done BCom first year. So there is clear conflict. So, if we compare this case with the Tomar's case, there is the Tomar's case is related to fake degree. Here, the fake degree is not involved. The case is the information which is given to Election Commission is wrong. How it is wrong, it is to be probed.
All right, so there's a fundamental difference here, Azim, and that's what our viewers would also want to know at this point of time. There is a fundamental difference between Jitendra Singh Tomar's case and Smriti Irani's case. In Jitendra Singh Tomar's case, it's a forged degree. He had given documents to the same effect. In Smriti Irani's case, allegedly, if it is proven that she has lied, then she has lied to the Election Commission and lied under oath. So there are two very different cases.
Yeah, Preeti, because that's why the complainant has asked for a registration of case under Representation of People's Act, not under IPC. But they are saying that they will provide some more evidence so that sections of IPC can also be involved in this case. But so far, they have only stressed for registration of case under Representation of People's Act, that she has given wrong affidavit or different affidavits at different point of time before the Election Commission.
Appreciate you joining us, Azim, and breaking it down for our viewers. So, at this point of time, there are political parties. There is the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party, which is trying to link both the particular cases. But legally, there are fundamental differences between the two cases of Smriti Irani and Jitendra Singh Tomar. With that, thank you, Azim, for joining us, and we're going to slip into...